रघु, ए रघु, रघु, बाहर आ जा।
क्या
मेरा
है?
जमीन तू कब्जा किया है।
क्या?
मेरा जमीन तू कब्जा किया है।
किसने बोला तेको?
तुमने कब्जा किया है।
मैंने कब्जा किया? क्या है तेरे पास प्रूफ?
तुमने किया, तुमने।
तेरे पास क्या है प्रूफ? मैंने किया है?
Hello students, this is Father Avinash and today I have come with a 6th standard civics lesson and the name of our lesson is Rural Administration. What do you mean by rural now? Rural means villages, village. Administration means how they work, the manner of work. Now you have seen in the video that there were two farmers. One was rich farmer, his name was Raghu, and the poor farmer's name was Mohan. Now Raghu, the rich farmer, had taken illegally the land or the field of this Mohan, who was very poor. So Mohan actually was crying for his land. He knew that he has illegally taken the land. But he uses his muscle power. He uses his power. He had his friends who were sarpanch, and he beats him and takes his land. Do you think Mohan should keep quiet? Mohan should do something. And what can he do in order to prove that that land belongs to him? Today I'm going to take you to an advocate who will explain to you students how we can know that that land belongs to us, from where to get. Let's find out and let's meet the advocate.
My dear friends, we have here Mohan who had a property which is captured by Raghu. Now Raghu, if you have seen, has pushed Mohan out of his property because he had a lot of money. The first thing whenever such a thing happens in your life is go to the police station. For us being in Giri, you have to go to Mapsa police station and lodge a complaint saying that Raghu has pushed me, Mohan, out of my own property. Which after that you need to come and see a lawyer, and the lawyer will tell you what is to be done. Now let me tell you exactly how the land records are maintained in Goa. Goa is a well-planned area in the whole world, in fact, because it was run by the Portuguese, who are well known for minute details of the land. Now each village, if you see, is having a plan, what we call a survey plan. And every person who is the owner of the land is well marked. Every property who has whichever has been taken is well marked in this survey plan. Now the survey plan has also markings. Now you will see here I have brought some markings which you will see. This survey plan will show you exactly what is the area which is yours and so on. It is also having a stamp showing that is original. Now when you go and see, this same property which you are seeing in the survey plan will be marked physically on the land where you stay or where your parents stay. It is called, they use something called boundary stones, and these boundary stones in Goa we call knees. Now if you see, with that you will know which is your property and what are the area, how exactly it is marked. You will also know who are your neighbors. You will also know how much is their land too. The government also has something called Form 1 and 14. And in this Form 1 and 14, if you look and see, it will tell you that here your name is there. In the other place, your name will not be there. In this, you have your name, how much land you have, plus you will see also who are the tenants, if there are in this land of yours. Yeah. Now, as you are going, as you look at it, this is how it will look like to you. It will be like which taluka, Bardes taluka, which village, Sukur, which survey plan, whatever be the number, and subdivision, whether 12 or 14 or 15, whichever be the survey number. Okay. Now, having said that, in case you want now a copy of this Form 1 and 14, if you look at this, this is called Form 1 and 14, which I showed you. This is called the survey plan. If you want a copy of this original copy, you need to go to Mapsa bus stand. If you look at the bus stand, on the left you will see this Goa in Touch, a small, what do you call, a booth type of a thing, where you will get all these plans, that Form 1 and 14 and the survey plans and whatever important documents, land documents you need. Remember, the one who has all who is in charge of this land survey is called the Land and Survey Department, under which the markings are physically done by the surveyor. Remember this, the surveyor marks the markings physically in your area. So remember, who are the ones who are the whole land of Goa of maybe in Giri is the village panchayat called Giri. Then it is afterwards it's marked through the numbers called the survey number and which subdivision. The markings are put by the surveyor, and if there is any problem regarding this, what we call revenue, all this land comes under revenue department, then we need to approach the Mamladar office, the deputy collector office, and finally the collector, which will decide how and what has happened regarding your land. But if it is a criminal case, since Mohan was pushed by the other person, then it becomes a criminal case which will go to a civil judge. That's all what I have to say to you. Thank you.